never show us the one where they almost change.
The Homo sapiens, Homo erectus, Homo something.
You know, say they take like 10 years to change for gorilla to human being. So by the time that is like the 8th year, maybe you don't see human being hand, gorilla, the one hand, you don't know the human being.
But now only the pictures we they see now.
And then they ever show us the one where they about to change.
Okay.
Do you understand? So now the same thing. So they go just call one person witch. Now because some people get that belief, say people they change for human being to witch. Now only for film, like for all those Greek films.
One of the problem I be that one of the major problem our Nollywood movies, because for a very long time they too focused on the aspect of witchcraft, wizard. If your monster don't be
especially that time when all the KOK just break
they
it,
come outside,
money,
ritual.
Maybe the person mistakenly come out. He's supposed to come back at that time. No come quick. You can't see vulture on top one big man.
Yeah.
Say no fear enter again.
Not the only that one. There are some other Christian movies too.
Yes,
when you really promote witchcraft and
you see them. There's that other film Kotoye.
You know, sir, they always talk. See, there is no advantage without disadvantage. I think the reason why they really pay attention to all those witchcraft now way to promote Christianity religion. You get, because ask me if I not get the mindset say witch they around, why I go the rush go church? You I don't know if they get me Godwin. So with those movie we had the knowledge. Oh, witch, but I say he did this country. The best thing I need to do now to draw near God. So you know they really promote those movies for all those ideas for those movies.
Say evil day, witch day.
Yeah.
But the change to animal.
We never see really.
I know say for Greek mythology, all those Greek films, you know all those Greek films, Zeus they change to eagle.
Yes, Zeus was
you go
Greek
come
film,
and go come earth and all those things. So Nigerians don't really think and say maybe na vulture be African.
Then cats. Now make it now we don't like cats. I buy cats. Don't be last year. My neighbor, not be smart, you know. They call Greece me before. What in Yoruba?
You buy cats? Ologbo.
What even make me pursue the cat? It can't talk prostitute. Cat days, yes. Cat days, yes. So it days inside her since. Okay, I have to go play once. Stay outside small. You know who carry belle come? He invite the boyfriend come. I don't know say another cat dey like this.
That's what cat they do.
You think when pay me patrol that night? I record the documentary.
R&B.
Now they shout.
Yes, R&B. You know say I get one white cat before. That cat now for this office I carry am. You know this cat they do for downstairs there.
Yeah.
Born one time. So when I go this back for residence, same I go eat it up. I can't see one small cat with very cute white cat. Now I just kind of go put inside car. Drive reach house. You bring cat. I don't know say the cat now female.
Wait, as they drive go, the cat no move close to you.
They move, you go to jump beside motor.
They play with her. When we reach house, I can't bring her down.
Very friendly.
The cat can't dey there. In fact, when the cat can't grow, even the enjoys for downstairs. When I show them the video, they say,
now that cat
is finer and fresher than the one with there. Not mention that woman. Every night you know belly. And if you see all the ugly boys, ugly black, brown.
You know why? I think it depends on the maker when give am belle, because the useless idiot maker when give my kiki belle. Now very ugly black cat.
Na kiki you call am.
So when he born, all the children don't really fly. So I can't beg people when they come. I said 2 out of the 6. So I can't dash out 2. So it got remain 2. So before I would say make I train those 2 now, because they can't become 3. Didn't you go carry belly again? I don't think pay me pass.
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
Yes, so what if pay me pass? Did you not say if he born up from my house, I go send the car. Now did you go computer video go born up?
He go computer village. Computer village go born now.
When my own born the first time,
you leave them there. You abandon them.
See, Lady J, when my own born, out of the 4 kittens we born, about 3 ugly. They resemble the useless.
Yes,
only one fine one day. I just give them out to people within my area. And when he born the second time, they're fine. All those ones they're fine. The problem is, my neighbor will come and disturb me every time and say,
cat.
Now inside my neighbor car.
Now they go shit foot.
They go. You get one car, my neighbor park there when they drive.
Okay.
Now there they go leave. They stay inside here.
Yeah, they like stay inside car well because it warm
and everything.
But why cats go to shop wire?
They play inside that place. They play inside that place and all that.
But another thing I hear about cats now, say then they lactose intolerant. They know they take milk. But
who talks so?
Now also what somebody talk.
Cats they drink milk.
No, I my own actually an idiot. So when I
why they call them idiots now?
Because if I start to they take milk, the next thing it just stop milk totally. It can't base on fish. If I not give am fish, you know the chop. Or I give am food when I chop. This idiot go say you know go chop.
But how say your own they eat rat, yeah?
Rat, I not get and I can't be the thing.
My own be say for don't be only inside the compound. You go see my own for outside. If they hunt rat.
Your own agbero.
If you don't walk out under the gutter, the compound, you know see rat, you know see lizard. And the way you do if you kill rat or lizard,
yeah, then they eat the lizard.
You go leave the tail, the head and tail for dog.
For dog. Yes.
Make I know say
Serious.
I noticed that the head and tail they eat
out. I will call when you go
drop for your dog.
Then you go leave her for my backyard.
Somewhere where you go see am. So I will call the when I call the pet in head. Yeah, good job.
You know
this lizard for one.
But what happened to you dash all of them?
No, you get one point now. My neighbor come they complain.
No, what my neighbor do?
So if him boyfriend find and come, they will come go to stay on top my neighbor window. I don't know see the people do their this is the place. And of say every night we can't sleep. This is blow one day. Now I said this cat don't cause small problem. So they go give put them on exile. Now then put the cat inside.
You go waka come back home.
We drive go on. No, we drive go on eatery. Eatery where they very far because that eatery get where they keep their dustbin so they see big rats. Then
okay.
We can't go the eatery and they open doors so you come down. If you see this my eyes, they almost I can't release the cat because I already share all the pieces. Can't release the cat. Say my mother-in-law and my wife. Now they say put that down there. As you come on and say okay, find your way. Go to live wildlife. We can't drive come out. You know say the next day I drive go back there go.
Go they look for the cat. I even tell you my own because Kiki born. You not gonna come back, but you can't chop. So now the two kitties will remain. Now be the manage. So one come out. The house where I go, my pastor get the house.
No one cat.
Now he say no one cat. So I all can't leave with my neighbor. So but when I reach my new place, one more time say me I go by, me I go look for them, I go by. Now one day I don't drive. Go. When I reach, I don't meet cat again. My neighbor say they pursue them. Come on because they leave my person carry my place. It be like not to like innocent like cats. So he join my neighbor. The two they can't combine, pursue them come out. But on the street, which I notice about cat, we say they are friendly animal. The reason why
they're very friendly.
Very friendly.
Very neat.
Very neat.
Then they see their poo poo, their shit.
Yes, and anything will make you show them one place to poo poo. Now get all the poo poo continuously.
Cat where they see people now very useless.
Naughty cat.
They hide their poo poo. Cat feed they for compound. You know go see when she. They hide them. If you mistakenly discover where they say you go change it.
You go change it. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
And I think the reason why Nigerians they fear cat now because they very.
Now all the superstitions you
they don't manipulate us already.
Especially the cat black.
Yeah.
The cat black. I don't know what that cat get anything to do with radio station because
I don't understand.
From my place where I did, they get one black cat. The cat they even climb staircase come up, and nobody must touch the cat. This our compound now. Cat
plenty for this compound.
So cat, let's say cat get relationship with radio station.
They broadcast information. Okay, but me another person I like get but I never fit get. So I you buy parrot recently now.
I get parrot one time.
I you buy parrot now.
Now you want buy?
I really want buy.
Why?
That way when they had they go 360.
When they go 360, yeah.
Not be saying
I guess they be very intelligent.
How you want take intelligence the whole matter we don't.
How
read now.
Another animal where they feel say
now wish
they look person. How they talk?
He never start to talk. He just be 8 months and according to person my he say young.
They talk. They report person to
I want train her up. So if I come out, they'll tell me who come and who not come.
Mama.
They communicate to steadily. But you got trainer. You got trainer.
You collect bribe.
Bribery and corruption.
If you know boiled groundnut, if you go give am groundnut, I bet no tell, you go give am.
Are you serious?
You don't go report. He get where you go your time, but if you don't do anything, mommy. What's happening? Because I remember when my other brother, I don't know what we collect. What my mama money collect for something like that. He said, I will tell mama. My mama said, come see this idiot. He didn't say go report to. And the part of report finally. Mommy, I want to say, mommy, mama will also all of you leave this. All you go back and say, what's happened? Mama, money in the back. Who take my black person take us? He say you don't go tell me. Mama they call her landlady. Hey,
you're very intelligent parrot.
Wow. Wow. Parrot, but where they?
I just like how I don't like how Maybe
why you like how?
Because the fact is just say why I love cat. Just the fact say people know like cat. So I just want experience that arrangement.
But I never see a person they train owl before, Shabo.
No, they get out. Some of all these big men for Lagos. If you go there, they get big kids and just put them out. They just did there. They have a top 360. Yeah. Now, one interesting thing I read about them, I feel detect sand from a very far distance. So the moment it detects sand, that head, whether it turn like this, the head go turn go
to that direction.
That just the same way when we say if dog hears sand for you, it go start to the back. Now so also be I just read the bad now that I just generate love for them, but I don't know where I want for see and buy.
You go see and buy now.
You won't buy out.
Why you the shy? You don't go.
I don't go come your house.
Very soon now and you go buy bats.
Yeah, very true. You go buy bats. All these strange animals. You go buy python, go buy snakes. Say I love python. They are very intelligent.
I mean, when we they grow up, we get pigeon, we get parrot, we get monkey, we get dog, we get cat.
Yeah.
My house be like zoo. Our parents are like zoo.
Wow.
That time we say our dog Nala na be the name female dog. Anytime the dog born, we don't say all the puppies. The breast go see they bring milk. The cat go they suck the breast. They suck the breast, so and the way they massage them.
Are you?
Yeah. They come with the 2 hands, they do like this.
Like kick it that time, go climb my chest.
I'm telling you.
You come massage. You go to use 2 hands to massage my chest.
Yeah. They don't get claws.
No, that means when they massage, they have anything. If you get cat, you know you say if you carry on all your claws go back.
Go inside.
Yes, as far as they get touch to
yeah.
But if you want to like the claws, they come outside.
See, they know the difference between
very intelligent
and
animal.
Danger. You see, cats different from dogs. Like people with animals in the dog family, like hyena, like wild dog, normal dog. Their nails just get permanent. They go in. But all those kind of lion, tiger, cat, their nails they come out, go in, come out. So even I play, they play with you.
You go
retreat. They don't go won't hurt you.
Nah, wow.
So they go take that hand like that. They
massage you.
They massage. We even get video of these things in those. I don't know what.
I got videos full my phone of Kiki now. Seriously.
Kiki.
Now when they talk
Kiki, that you name him.
No, name him.
Because of that, so Kiki.
Because then the children come be Olivia and Mimi when they leave. Then my parrot that name now Lily. You can't give them beautiful name.
Together, my own cat now Mary now.
Yeah, Mary.
Merry Christmas.
Mary.
No, the next one will be New Year.
When you say Mary, you just when you say Mary, you just come.
Okay, now sharp Godwin. I don't know whether you see waiting like Mohammed talk.
We don't say Nigeria and a sovereign nation. We no go
based on ICC, Amnesty International.
Yeah, because they don't talk about how military they violate human rights and all those things. I don't talk about before. So 3 people wanted to regard any Jordan. Lie Mohammed, am I guy? My guy, because when they first started the government, I collect small things
from
my guy.
Who be your guy? Lai Mohammed.
Mohammed. Femi Adesina,
Gabashe.
Anything those 3 people talk, and they even listen because those people they talk anyhow.
Now you make Harrison say Lai Mohammed, sing the Lai Mohammed. Where? Call him for inside that song.
So, but naturally, no country will give away their sovereignty. But you know, means Amnesty International and all those people, if they see it, they get case and no go talk with them because Nigeria the government don't make and look like say. Everybody don't feel like say no hope for this country in terms of who you want to report the government to. Only international body where they go listen to now. Because who you want to report them to for Nigeria here, they go tell you say if you either they say your opposition.
Even the court when supposed you get your back and not really get your back again.
Most of these things they go abroad because the only foreign bodies go feel put pressure on them because a lot of them get interest for that place too. But if you want to report them,
but I know they always wrong go still do.
Exactly. So now only those people that they respect. That is why you go find out not only Amnesty International, all those people go feel call them to order say your military they misbehave and all those things. My own be saying Nigerian government need to wait somebody tell and say they do wrong. Whether not the military, whether not the government, the first way they do is say defense. We not do one. What you do wrong? We say okay, we go investigate. We don't find out this person guilty. Punish the person they guilty. Oh, find out at least the bad X way inside. Even Jesus Christ comment, he see get 12 disciples. Once he beat there.
So
don't feel like say the entire military, everybody die. For bad X day now.
Bad X day for Jesus case. Now he got so many times and talk say he go quiet place, go pray. So assuming say even with all in prayer and fasting, you still get one Judas. So imagine say you don't even pray and fast, and I be say
therefore plenty.
All of them for be Judas all together.
I'm not sure all of them for be.
No, all of them like 80% for be Judas.
I feel they wrong for saying this. If you not be saying na even Jesus prayer, now make them not plenty because who want do go do.
Exactly. That
who want do
say bad people go always do.
Yeah, bad people.
It don't start. Okay, for example now, the time where that in corrupt my con they come out now when in go one particular village. Now woman we get long head, they call her woman with alabaster box.
This woman. For Bible.
Yeah, she carry her that. They say that the most expensive perfume. If you Google them now, you go see say that perfume they worth millions. Now the most expensive perfume. So she carry them as use them pay homage to worship and because of certain things which she don't do. Now Jesus gonna cry say why should they waste that perfume on his body? Say if to say then sell that perfume now, if for therefore feed give the money.
So Jesus to the poor of the perfume.
To the give the money to the poor. Now Jesus answer them say the poor go always there with you. But the truth I say in his heart of hearts, not be say he really care about the poor. Now just say if they sell
the money whether the perfume.
Now the money whether the perfume now he wants. So if you say they sell that perfume, he for still pocket the money. So you don't get that. What they try to say right from time, you don't already get that intention from your heart.
Okay. I not to anything when you talk when relate to Bible. Okay. You cannot to know.
You say that okay. You know say they talk true now because in Malaya talk.
Perfume. Who the maker? You say they make it now.
Alabaster box. I don't know. Now all that things now for Israel. If I go Israel now, if you find out they see they make
R&B just enter Google put them alabaster box.
No, now the J go help me spell that thing.
Why I go spell them?
Alabaster. Alabaster.
The way you spell them, say you don't use them before.
I never use them.
God
for you.
Sharp. Last one. I don't know if you see what Timaya talk. Say make sure you live with your partner a bit before marriage.
Live with them a bit.
Live
like
with
men do
stay together
for a while
before you enter marriage with her. But first of all, say most time Nigerians they pay attention to the message instead of the message on time. Now a lot of the comments they say see person when they will first baby mama they tell person how to
maybe but technically based on that Timaya no qualified to give that card. True that if you never if you don't go for you know be married one. So that means if they live with all of them, you find out they're no good. You understand?
From your experience in the talk to us.
Some women will tell you say if you live with person who you never marry, eventually see finish you enter. When you come begin to say no. I believe in dating before marriage for a while. Get to know the person, but to live together, no. When they discover because at the end of the day, now person guy with mind no really day. If he come, they look for excuse to say I won't do.
Well, it depends on how long the living be. I know like if you with this recent happening nowadays.
But why they need
to test
now?
Why they need
face
to live
face
by living together?
Living no be say
you just stay forever 2 years just for a while you get to know
2
because
years.
No, I said not be say 2 years. So
like how long?
Maybe
like how long?
It will be like at least 3 months.
Me, I won't even say
R&B.
6 months.
I know I agree because may I tell you, I sure say wait. I sure say even married people go understand what I want talk. You know, feed even if you know feed no person finish.
But at least you go do some part of them.
But not be until now live together before you go even know some part of that person.
You will have. Which useless English I want to
stay together for a while.
Lady J.
For a while, like how long?
No, say R&B. My own belief.
I know that's not get religious belief and the rest.
No, the living together. Make that one be when I don't marry. After they date. If you go there, what you want? If you go there, go spend weekend. She come on Friday, go on Sunday. You understand?
It's still too short.
Or maybe she there on leave. I don't know, for instance, maybe she there on leave for 2 weeks. She spend one out of those 2 weeks for your side. You understand? But say on can't leave permanently as soon as I don't marry. No. Because at the end of the day, they tell
I don't say permanently 3 months. Mona just stay for a very long. God will know why. See, may tell just as you talk, Lady J tell us now. You know if you know person finish, no matter you live with her. But if you stay with that 2 days is even very, very short. You feel not because now the 2 days will not go enjoy now find it.
No, the 2 days go be regular thing. For instance, if they can't spend weekend at your house, come on Friday, go on Sunday.
With the way people they use cutlass cut people now.
Man tell you why I talk like that. The man tell you why I talk like that.
See that man where hack.
Would they beat people now?
He hacking living lover. Okay, how long? Now he living lover now. Baby mama. Okay, how long they don't date together now? This one even born for him. He still hack him.
See how be person we want hide character for you. If you hide down for 1 year, you no go know. My own be say it gets something about men when they chase something where they never get.
They feel pretend wherever.
Yes. So if girl say I don't be anything I want to know about girl. Girl if you can spend 1 week from my house when she there on leave. Then every other weekend she dey my house. What I want to know where she go need to stay for 3 months if I know. For instance, if they date girl in 1 year, every weekend she come to the house Friday, go on Sunday, and then maybe like twice a year she dey on leave. She spend like 1 or 2 weeks with me. In 1 year, that one there. Apart from that, during the week, enough phone calls a day. Sometimes lunch, sometimes dinner. What I want to know.
You know, say when you stay with somebody for a long time, some people they irritated by that person. I was once like that. May I tell you why they talk like that? If you stay with me past 1 week, I dey vex. Like when I did, like I dey vex, I dey look for reason for you to just come on. So imagine me doing that, and you expect say I'll come marry, I'll come see the marriage.
Why you dey vex?
I'm not just like I dey like my space sometime.
Yeah.
You get
normal.
But along the line, I not get choice than to continue to the find reason not to cut chain, not to say okay, if I want to really settle down for later, I need change this mindset, I need change this my whole belief. Say I don't want me person this stage. I don't know if they get my point right now. And because of that, I remember when my wife went to school when she want to do her internship. You know, I got look for place. I got look for place for her. That was the first time we ever spent 2 months, and I know how I take beer. They tell myself, say, this is not the person I want to marry. If I feed one, certainly for marriage. I don't know if they get me. Normally, she they come before she just come out to. It gets so that she will just spend half. I can't they go. I don't. I tell her openly. I want to get my space. She go first, baby. She will come out. If you reach, but I'll still beg her. We'll continue. But that first time when she spent 2 months, God, I'm not gonna lie, give you. Now the hardest period of my life because I don't want to person for my brother. I be like. What you see they do here now? You get so I tell my person, Shebi, they plan to marry this person.
You didn't test your patience where to know the level of patience where you
get. So I got during that time I could encourage myself. If you just say you want to marry this person, if why you want to continue like this, you get me. So I constantly encourage myself, say, okay, now if this person want to marry, just the same as person when we say he come today, he come tomorrow, he come out. You get me. So that's I can't tell myself mentally I can build that maturity in my mind.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody they different. Yeah.
Everybody they different. Number one, everybody gets that desire to own his or her space.
Yeah.
Somebody like me now, for over many years now, I don't get my space. So even if I marry now, sometimes I go still won't get that space. But at that point in time, I know. So even if I get the space, so it gets somebody will be saying,
and it go hard for marriage.
I did with already. See, now the whole thing they start from here. Now your mind, all this.
So why you want to make your partner understand? Say,
you don't already.
When you marry, you also need your space.
You don't already know. Get one of my friends. Wait, my friend.
You don't get partner already.
No, I think get one of my friend already. Yeah. She don't marry, but she say now she be this kind very women they call her meticulous person. That I say if she take this card as a day here, make it day there. Everything gets arranged. Now that kind of person. And the kind of person when she married, no day as neat. Scatter. But she said before she married, she already for her mind, I just say okay. You go they see this guy every day, every minute, every hour, every second.
Without enough spend time together.
So she don't already tell him, say, see, for I don't get my space for this long. So I try adjust to the fact, say somebody else they enter my own space. So everything they start from here. Me before I meet the person, say, I don't they adjust from my mind. Say, well, that space, my space, it no go there because when you marry, you get a husband there. But after some time, children go come in. So you don't go feel open man talk say, I want my space.
Yeah, Lady J. Now, what you talk so? Yes, people feel down with those without.
You guys are just now everything they start from your mind.
You feel down, but most time they always do better when you try hard. I don't want you to use experimental.
Well, see,
you get me.
See, different people, different formula. They work for different people. Somebody like me, if I really love girl and I want, so maybe I feel like somebody I want marry, I no go want me she stay with me for 3 months, but I go like me she come spend like 1 week. Go. maybe every weekend you go come.
Yeah.
Then maybe when you don't leave.
What if your reason say you go see and finish?
No, see, I still like that aspect of say, you get times when you know day where I miss you.
Yeah.
You understand? Now part of the dating process for me, I go like miss you for a while. You come every weekend. I dey see you every weekend. That Monday to Thursday.
So you can't change this mind since when you don't marry now say you know your wife not the
wait now, no, see, I know say the time they come when you say you go date permanent.
So you gotta prepare your mind.
So make I enjoy this period when you know date permanent because I go live with you for 40, 50 years permanently. This period you know date permanently, make I enjoy that. I dey date you. We go out, hang out. You come weekend. After Friday, before I know you don't disappear. And you don't leave at this. Make I they look forward to celebrate. Say when you they go, when you they go on leave now because I know say 2 weeks, you give me 2 weeks. After that 2 weeks, you don't go.
I don't know why I dey feel say what do go do? What they talk like? Maybe not because I do it during that time. Maybe you see John one of my reasons I dey like my space all time. Most people when they talk this they say I like you just come here and go. You know people when God that plans to do outside play.
No, no be everybody be like that. No be everybody be like that.
See, and that kind of relationship. And that kind of relationship. She go get key to my house. Her clothes go. She go even get wardrobe from my house.
My friend talk. I'm not mention his name. He two girlfriend get key to his house.
You know what happened? I
Hey, two girlfriends. Get
that way they do. No, I got that way they do. Those days. Now the girl even designed the house, the decor and everything.
As Timaya baby mama design house for that.
In fact, I tell you, this guy. Me, I also know, and I will tell her the story. The person knew, and somebody of us know. Now this babe do everything for the house and everything, and everything. I tell you, they do they date. After I contact me, then stay permanently. The guy come stay permanently in less than 3 months. And then I change and say no one.
You just see how just imagine they go marry without they not do that thing.
No, listen now. When they come stay permanently for 3 months. The guy na somebody wey call if he say they never too know themselves and everything. That guy now, he leave that babe.
You now see another person marry.
The person wey go marry now, they don't divorce.
Again.
No, I go tell her name.
See. You see what I see they talk.
Now they tell
sometimes you just gotta stay with people to know whether if he be with this person or not. You get me? No, just actually they work for different person.
If he stay with, eventually they don't go. Meanwhile, we from what we know of these two girls,
yeah, they're
this one way
supposed to stay.
And that one might be the very homely person. That other one I too there, but you know the year one. But for me, if not me, I find that the girl I go, how you like me the house they be? How you like me the kitchen they be? Anytime when the girl comes, she go feel like she in her house.
You know, I go give example when you say.
Now when I want to talk, Lady J go shook her.
I want to talk. Becca, talk. I hold am because which your Becca?
No, now when I want to talk, Lady J go talk. Maybe she no see. I know if see you
from there. Oh yeah, now.
These are short. Which one be now because you short? When you carry your leg come off for
the system they block.
No man. Yeah, I want to talk. Say at the end of the day, this thing no manual for you.
Exactly, no
manual. If say it work for you, if you don't work for another.
So more not take my advice and they talk now. No, he not get the level to give us advice.
Okay, make I give example now. Bob Risky give one advice a few days ago. Yeah. He said make make girls
they faithful to your boyfriend.
No, they faithful.
No, they pay. And the problem be say Bob Risky who him be now boy or girl.
You never know now shim.
That's the way they live on cruise.
He say shim.
Now cross dresser.
If one call her by her profession, all of us don't say now hustle it is a hustle.
Somebody ask about Bobrisky. Somebody thought say any girl you want to take the advice. Before you take the advice, ask yourself if your brother won't date Bobrisky, you agree?
Yeah, be.
Or if Bobrisky won't date your sister, you agree?
You agree?
So if Nanaka best advice you want to take that one no. And the truth, both talking to Bobrisky no fine.
But makeup make her fine.
He don't use cream. Bobrisky no fine.
But makeup and filters make her fine.
With all this makeup and filter and everything. R&B. You want date girl na like Bobrisky kind of beauty.
I'll be very straightforward person.
Exactly.
I like woman. I love woman.
No. Wait till you mean say Bobrisky na woman.
Okay, na really.
If I reach.
You know say when you come as a man, your physicality, your masculinity, they go make you look like man, which may make you just look ugly. I wish it come from the beginning.
So the question I want ask. The question I want ask now say.
When they give her money.
The question I want ask now say, why be say we no dey ever see am for pajamas or towel.
No, me I dey.
Now always when he don't do makeup.
Lady J.
They do pajamas or they tie towel.
That's when they tie towel
they twerk. They do. If you follow our Snapchat,
this one they follow. I see for Becca Snapchat always.
They wear pajamas, wear towel.
Let's be sincere. For me, I don't interview but preaching for Ibadan before I did Ibadan. Man, I don't like give you.
Now you interview that for that
when
time.
it come, yeah.
Are you serious?
Me and Jacob, when it come that time, I don't like give you. I already said that young man when find out say this way now when they pay for Bodo Yibo. I don't know if you remember if you know this guy for America when they bar blow cuts, what it be in a fashion designer I be. Now one of the popular fashion they dress like woman, all clothes now woman. But I'm not sure they don't go far. They try pull fake breast or fake back. You get I think they don't do back. So I just feel now somebody will say, this is a great opportunity to make noise. People will talk about me, and by that I go they popular and I go they influence.
Yeah,
you get me. So all these things on the see sometimes I take them as cruise. Now cruise the day because at the end of the day they get people they talk about every single day.
You won't get followers.
You won't get followers. People they give them money to take promote for you. Then
as far as I'm concerned, but we not qualified to give relationship advice. Let's go sit down.
Make it back where hold in corner.
Maybe they go and shake.
They go. You know the voice of God. We and Lady J. They don't take over from now. Wakago reach 4 p.m. from our own side.
Why they rush?
Okay, from our own side till tomorrow again.
Make it talk so people will feel here understand what they talk now.
Now they do me, Aaron and B.
Why can't they slow like tortoise?
Becca, you know yesterday Lady J me slow. Me and Becca Bliss, we will come here 6 a.m. We will come go 11 a.m.
I'll be do normal now.
Tomorrow. You know you're waiting Lady J talk. You want Lady J beat me?
She know if you beat you do normal.
Okay, I'm gonna follow us on Twitter, Instagram. @Aaron_Ayo Becca.
All right, you don't hear them, so just join us tomorrow between 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. My own at Becca Bliss on top Instagram and on top Twitter, BECCABLISSE.